Hi. So today we are going to see that how to book your meet for the product trials, and it is a very quick process to book your official meet for the product trials which you require to complete the task one. So you can follow these steps to book your meet. Okay. So you have to go to the portal and click on the home page. Then you have to click on the product trials section. After that, here we can see that this task contains maximum points up to 500 points. So like it is a very important task. And yes, so now we are going to book our Google Meet. So we are going to click on this open form option, and here we can see that it is asking our date and time and some more detail that how we are going to conduct this event and everything. So here we have to fill our full name and then Gmail. Make sure the Gmail address is that address which you have used to register for this program, and then you have to click on the verify option, and a OTP will or verification code will come to your Gmail, and here we can see that it has arrived. And okay, so it is 794,843. So you can submit it here 794,843. Click on the continue option and see the very small tick option is there, and you have to fill your GID here. After that, you have to select the event date on the date which your event will take place. So please make sure it is correct. Don't make any mistake. So like I'm going to conduct my event on 27, and now I have to select my event time. So please make sure it is a 24-hour format. So we have to select time, and if you are going to conduct your event at 6 p.m., so you have to select 18, not 6. If you are going to select 6, it is marked as 6 a.m. Please make sure. It is also mentioned here that if you wish to conduct at 3 p.m., please enter the time in 24-hour format as 15:00. Then if you are going to conduct your meet in virtual only, then you have to click on that. But if you are going to organize your meet or event in the campus or hybrid, so you have to click on that. And okay, so if you are organizing your meet on hybrid, then you have to select the venue, like if you are organizing in library, classrooms, cafeteria, or anything. So here I'm going to select the labs. After that, you have to select a promotion channel which you have used for the promotion. Then you can select any of these channel, and you have to select the, and you have to upload the proofs of post stories or anything or promotional material, we can say, which you have used. After that, you have to fill the expected participants, and you just have to submit that. Once you will submit, you will receive a mail like this which will contain your Google Meet link and instructions. So you can see the instructions here that use a free screen recorder. You can like use OBS. It is the best screen recorder as per me. And you have to record audio and video both. So make sure you have a proper recording, because it is very important to get any points. Okay. And if you are facing any doubt, any problem, you can comment, or like you can check other videos on this channel also. Thank you.